How to use Ingress resource templates in Runtime Fabric. Here you can see how to use Ingress resource templates in Runtime Fabric. Anypoint Runtime Fabrics enabled you to specify a custom Ingress configuration using an Ingress resource template. In a template similar to Kubernetes Ingress spec, you can specify annotations, Ingress class name, and HTTP, HTTP and HTTPS rules. If you do not apply an Ingress resource template for an application, you can't add Ingress endpoints when you deploy it. Here you can see how Ingress resource template work in Runtime Fabric. This diagram provides an overview of how to use Ingress resource templates in resource Runtime Fabric. An IT admin configures an Ingress controller an admin creates or modify the Ingress resource template using necessary parameters. Various Ingress controllers operate differently. Review your Ingress documentation and adjust your annotations accordingly. 3. An IT admin applies the template using kubctl apply command. 4. From the applied template, Runtime Fabrics creates placeholder URL domains and propagates the Ingress configuration in Anypoint Runtime Manager. As a template for all application deployment. 5. A Mule application developer uses Runtime Manager to configure application for deployment by selecting available host and optional subdomain and path combination as specified in the Ingress templates. Six, Runtime Fabric receives the application deployment request and uses the Ingress configuration from the templates to create corresponding Ingress object in the cluster. Here you can see the template. Here the IT administrator is connected to Runtime Fabric on self-management Kubernetes via kubctl apply -f template.yml here, and Runtime Fabric services and Mule applications are inside the Runtime Fabric on self-management Kubernetes. Here the Runtime Fabric services is connected to Mule application. Here the Runtime Fabric services interacts with Runtime Manager in Anypoint platform via propagates acme-rtf-ingress.yml https://example.acme.com/API here. Runtime Manager is connected to Runtime Fabric services, and Runtime Fabric services is connected to Mule application. Here the Runtime Manager interacts with Runtime Manager UI via application deployment requests, and you can see Mule application developer here. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.